For this triple cookie brownie thing, we need a layer of chocolate chip cookies, and then we have a layer of Oreos, and then brownies on top. So first things first, we're gonna get started on making the chocolate chip cookie layer. So you will need a 1.5 sticks of softened butter, some chocolate chips. You'll need about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 whole egg, and then the yolk of the second egg, vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and then 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar. So first things first, we're gonna add in the sugar and the butter to soften.
Hey my friends, welcome back. I want to apologize first and foremost for my voice. I am getting over a cold, so that's why I sound so gross. But anyway, and I also want to apologize for the quality. I am not sure what happened when I filmed this video, but when I went back to edit it, I saw that it was like not looking too great. But since I put in the work, y'all gonna get this video. Okay, so yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and just basically add all the ingredients into the bowl. First, you saw we were softening up the butter and the sugar, and then we're just going to slowly add in the rest of the ingredients. And then you're going to, first of all, make sure you preheat the oven to 350. But you're going to go ahead and press that like cookie dough into the bottom of a 9x13 pan. Excuse me. Then you'll add in your Oreo cookies. Then on top of that, you will just add the brownie mix. Just, you know, mix it up according to the directions. Pour that over the top, and then you're going to bake it in the oven for I would say 8 to 45 minutes. I think mine took around 44 minutes, something like that, for it to be done. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe before you leave. I am really close to 400 subscribers, so I would love to get there sooner rather than later. And I really appreciate all of my returning subscribers. And you can certainly, you know, make your own brownies from scratch if you like. I have a really yummy fudgy brownie recipe on my channel. It's actually in my Halloween like treat video. I can link that in the description box. It is really good. But this particular time, I was not in the mood for making brownies from scratch. So this Betty Crocker, it did do the trick.
I'm so tired of these late night talks, saying things that we don't mean, that we regret in the morning. Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting. Yeah, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go.
Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys back here soon for more food. Bye.
To make it through. Maybe it can